All right, Kim's got a fish. Kim's got a king. He's beating up on her. I like that. Oh, nice one. No, don't worry. Just take your time. Don't panic. That you're doing perfect. Just hold it on that side. Just heal. It's either you or him.
Should I walk over more?
No, you're perfect. Kim's on her first king. It's kicking butt on her. Oh, another. Okay, reel again now. Drop it down. No, just keep it pointed towards.
Should I reel again?
Yeah, no, wait till it's now. Reel when it goes. Now reel a little bit. Now point it towards Kim. I mean for Steph. Don't get those rocks. Stay away from the rocks. One more time. Oh. Tough fish. Kim's kicking butt. Just try to get him steady. Nice fish, damn. Leaky boots and all. Kim's doing another 2 feet. He's yours.
Oh, you got it?
Oh, yeah. There it is.
Oh,
All right. It was kind of bad because I was running.
oh, man. You want to keep it?
Oh, yeah, probably.
Would you mind not kidding? I know, yeah. You kicked your butt. He did. I'm like, my heart's pounding 100 miles an hour. And it was not snatched right in the mouth.
All right. That was teamwork between the two sisters. What do you think? You got your king. All right.
Sure, I got it.
Take over.
All right, yeah.
Hang on. Let me get her rocks.
We got one! We got one.
Hang on just for a minute. You're the fisherman now, king. Not many people can catch it.
Okay, hold it and I'll help again. All right, let's go. Ooh, that's a big one. Get him up there, Dad. All right. It was a fun fight.
You ain't got no time.
400 hook one in there.
Okay, just push on this. Oh, you want to keep it going, Watson. Oh, it's a male, huh?
Yeah.
Woo!
Got it.
Good.
I was just going to get the net, luckily.
I thought it got away, because it was kind of active. It went slide, and then I saw it bend over again.
Right on. Okay.
Get her, well, let's take it down so she can